If you are new to FedEx Ground, or you're thinking about coming over to FedEx Ground, keep watching to the end. This is the video for you. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about going to a new terminal that you've never been before. Now, if you know anything about the FedEx Ground system and the FedEx Ground terminals, for the most part, most of them are set up pretty similar, but each one has their own little nuances and little differences. So today we're going to be talking about the process of coming to the terminal located in Ocala, Florida, otherwise known as Terminal 344. Now, this is my second week doing this run, and let me tell you, like, this is probably one of the easier terminals to deal with. There's plenty of space for trailer parking. As you guys can see, I came in, the entrance and exit are separate, so it's like one big circle, one big flow. So right here, I'm gonna drop off my rear trailer, plenty of parking spaces. Obviously, just like the other FedEx terminals, they like for you to drop the landing gear on the concrete pad. All these parking spots. Now, mind you, this is peak season. Most terminals you go to during peak season have a really hard time finding parking spots for the trailers. But here at 344, Ocala, Florida, it's actually pretty easy. So as you can see, if you look to your left here, you can exit out of there also, but there's another exit at the other end of the terminal. That you can use, and a lot of times it's going to make a lot more sense to use that one because that's where you're going to pick up your loader trailer. So you drop your empties over there or whatever you brought in, and then you come over here to the other end and you'll get your loader trailers or your outbound trailers. Inbound trailers, and on the other side will be the outbound trailers. This right here would be considered the east side of the terminal. Got your fuel pump over there. All right, and that is the actual exit over there, designated exit. Now we're on the south side of the terminal. And if you look to your right, right there is line haul. Plenty of bobtail parking right here. Five 4388 is the trailer we are looking for. Boom, there it is right there. 54388. Still loading. All right, while they're still loading that, go ahead and pick up my lead trailer, which is the heavier trailer. 819, 819 347. Usually going to be over here somewhere. As you see, that's line haul over there. And then most of the trailers are loaded that you're going to be picking up are going to be over here. Eight 819 347. 347. There it is right there. Boom. There's a door right here. Restroom's right over there if you need to use the restroom. Side 438. As you can see, they're just about done. Whew. All right, once you're hooked up to your trailers and you go into the app, get everything hooked up. You see line haul is right there, and then straight ahead is the exit. Once you get to the exit, security is going to do their checks, and then you are on your way. If you gain value from this video, please like, comment, and consider subscribing for future videos like this. You guys have a good one. Keep the rubber side down, and as always, stay safe and stay smooth, my friends.